Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change Gmail address. First of all, go to the Play Store. After that, on the top right corner there's a profile icon. Select that and select the settings on the bottom. Over here, when you reach to the settings, go to the general on the top, and from the general you need to tap on the account and device preferences. And here we could see an option of your Gmail ID that says change contact email. Tap there and you can simply change it over here. After that, tap on the save option, and you also need to verify it before you change it. So tap on the got it option and go to the Gmail, and what you have to do is verify the email. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.